The easiest way to begin building and creating a new page is to work with many of the pre-made blocks that come with the builder. To do that, you simply click on the Start Building Your Page because you need to bring in content. And every time you bring in content, it has to be housed inside what we refer to as a block. Click on Start Building Your Page, and we have here the block manager. At the top, you will see Create Your Own. And let's go ahead and click on this one so you can have an idea of what happens. This container, the block, is dropped onto the page. And from here, you will be adding elements, content into the block to build out the page. I will undo by selecting this icon down here in the bottom right-hand corner, or hit Ctrl Z, Command Z on my keyboard. Let's go again and start building our page. These, as you scroll down, are those pre-made blocks I was referring to earlier. And this is a great jump start for you to begin building out your page with so many ideas, and you will find basically everything you've ever thought of putting on a page here to start with. This is a great way if you're stuck for design options, and you can filter them here on the left under categories. I start this page at the top with a hero, and I have the option to go between light as well as dark. Let's select this one over here. And as simple as that, the pre-made block is brought onto your page. And from here, you simply go ahead, change out the images, change out the text, and you can even switch out the fonts and the colors so it can fit what you're working for towards your website. This is a great, efficient way to quickly build out a site. If I put something below that light and we select features, you can immediately begin to understand how by just using these pre-made blocks, you easily build out a page that you want to work with. Let's add a few more here so that we can just have a good idea. Let's say we add a gallery over there. Below the gallery, we'll add a theme. Let's put that on light. And finally, we can round it off with a contact form, which we'll put on dark again. Contact. And within less than a minute, we've built out a page that you can go ahead, switch out the content and style it out so it can suit your need. Of course, you will want to build out a block at some point from scratch. And that's the way I showed you at the very beginning when you click on Add a New Block and you select Create Your Own. Now, within this block, you can click on the plus and it will open the element drawer on the left. And you can bring in more structural elements like columns. And then within that column, you can bring in elements so you can build it out nicely and set it up the way that you have imagined it to be. This is why it's so intuitive working with the builder, because it takes all the guesswork away. No complicated menus. What you see is what you get. Drag it onto the page and easily create the website that you've been dreaming of.